If you're looking for the best bike hitch rack in 2026, you're in the right place. A good hitch rack makes it easy to transport your bike safely, whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or your favorite trail. In this video, we'll count down the 5 best bike hitch racks of 2026, comparing their features, durability, ease of use, and overall value. Stick around until the end to find the perfect option for your needs and budget. Number 5. The MaxxHaul 70210 Hitch Mount 4-Bike Rack is a heavy-duty, budget-friendly transportation solution designed specifically to securely haul up to 4 bicycles on cars, trucks, SUVs, and minivans, equipped with a standard 2-inch receiver. Boasting a robust 150-pound weight capacity, this rack features a rigid all-steel construction coated with a rust-resistant powder finish, thick polymer cradles to safeguard bike paint, and adjustable hook and loop straps for tying down frames. A standout design aspect is its practical swing-down mechanism, which utilizes a simple pull-pin layout to tilt the post forward, granting unhindered access to a vehicle's trunk or tailgate without requiring complete disassembly. Furthermore, it incorporates an integrated safety reflector for increased nighttime visibility and arrives with a standard hitch pin. In real-life scenarios, the rack performs admirably on paved roads, providing a stable hold for standard adult and children's mountain or road bikes that possess a straight, horizontal top bar. However, users with step-through or unorthodox frames will require a separate adapter crossbar. When compared to premium competitors like the Allen Sports Deluxe 4-Bike Rack, the MaxxHaul holds its own structurally at a fraction of the cost, though it lacks an anti-wobble mechanism, meaning it exhibits slightly more play and sway in the receiver hitch during bumpy highway travel. Despite minor tolerances resulting in a looser fit, it offers exceptional value for money for recreational cyclists who refuse to pay hundreds of dollars for high-end platform carriers. While it is strictly not advised for use on RVs or trailers due to excessive dynamic loading, installation is incredibly intuitive and takes mere minutes. Ultimately, I highly recommend this product to families and casual outdoor enthusiasts seeking an affordable utilitarian multi-bike carrier. Number 4. The Young 2-Bike Hitch Mount Platform Rack is a heavy-duty transport system engineered explicitly to handle the substantial weight and proportions of 2 modern electric or fat tire bicycles. Its defining purpose is to safely carry up to a massive 200-pound total load, 100 pounds per bike, on cars, trucks, and SUVs equipped with a standard 2-inch receiver. Built from a robust combination of alloy steel and aluminum, the platform features ultra-wide wheel cradles with durable ratcheting straps that easily swallow tires up to 5 inches thick and accommodate a long 58-inch wheelbase. Its key functional highlight is a dual-arm, soft-padded vertical hook system that slides tightly down to grip step-over or step-through frames securely, without creating metal-on-metal scratches. It also boasts a smart, quick-release tilting mechanism that drops the loaded platform away from the car for hassle-free trunk or tailgate access, and folds upright flat against the vehicle to save space when parking in tight garages. In real-life scenarios, the rack performs beautifully on long highway road trips. When tightened into the receiver with its included threaded hitch pin, it eliminates standard rack rattle and prevents heavy e-bikes from swaying over uneven pavement. However, because it relies on heavy steel for the high-stress hitch and pivot assembly, the rack itself weighs over 40 pounds, making it somewhat awkward to lift and align during solo installation. Compared to premium-tier competitors like the Hollywood Rack Sport Rider for e-bikes, the Young carrier provides extraordinary value for money, delivering identical weight ratings and accommodating 5-inch fat tires at a much lower consumer price point, though its physical assembly instructions lack the absolute clarity of higher-end brands. Casual riders who rarely travel far might find its heavy footprint over-engineered, but it is an absolute game-changer for e-bike owners and winter fat bike enthusiasts who need massive weight limits and dependable platform security without a budget-breaking price tag. Ultimately, I highly recommend this platform rack to any outdoor adventurer transporting heavy electric or fat tire bikes who prioritizes highway stability and trunk accessibility above all else. Number 3. The STUDTREX Trail V2 Plus Hitch 2 e-bike rack with ramp is a heavy-duty transport system specifically engineered to safely haul 2 heavy electric or fat tire bicycles. Designed to fit standard 2-inch receivers on cars, SUVs, trucks, and RVs, its primary purpose is resolving the lifting and security challenges associated with massive e-bikes by offering a robust 170-pound total weight capacity, 85 pounds per bike. Constructed from premium alloy steel, the build quality feels exceptionally rigid, utilizing a secure 3-point mounting system consisting of a wraparound front wheel cradle, a heavy-duty rear wheel strap under the axle, and a locked wheel clamp near the front fork. A unique design aspect is its upgraded 46-inch anti-slip aluminum loading ramp, which is 8 inches longer than standard models, paired with an innovative guide kit featuring adjustable support blocks that effortlessly steer wide tires up to 5 inches thick onto the rack without straining your back. For everyday ease of use, the rack incorporates a smart tilting mechanism that grants full trunk access even when fully loaded, and it folds completely flat against the vehicle when empty to save space. In real-life highway scenarios, the included hitch tightener eliminates standard receiver wobble, ensuring a rock-solid, vibration-free ride over long distances and rough terrain. Security is another high note, utilizing a comprehensive anti-theft package featuring a keyed hitch pin lock and 2 integrated wheel clamp locks to safeguard expensive investments during travel stops. When compared to premium market alternatives like the Thule EasyFold XT2, the Trail V2 Plus delivers identical weight ratings and broader fat tire compatibility at a fraction of the cost, though it lacks Thule's internal ramp storage compartment. Providing stellar value for the money, it stands out as an incredibly cost-effective, premium-featured alternative. Ultimately, older riders, women, and any e-bike enthusiasts who struggle with heavy lifting or require absolute RV-certified transit stability will heavily benefit from this product. I highly recommend it as a secure, rugged, and budget-friendly powerhouse. Number 2, the Young Electric 2-Bike Hitch. Mount Platform Rack with Ramp is a heavy-duty transport system specifically engineered to haul heavy electric, mountain, or fat tire bicycles without causing physical strain. Designed exclusively for vehicles equipped with a standard 2-inch receiver, such as cars, trucks, SUVs, and minivans, its primary purpose is to safely bear an impressive 200-pound total load capacity, 100 pounds per bike, while introducing an accessible rolling mechanism. Key features include extra-wide wheel support trays accommodating tires up to 5 inches thick and wheelbases up to 50 inches, secure ratcheting straps, a dual-arm frame hook configuration with protective padding, and shock-absorbing threaded hitch holes. The standout unique design aspect is its integrated V-groove loading ramp, allowing owners to smoothly roll heavy e-bikes straight onto the platform rather than deadlifting them. For added convenience, the space-saving frame folds flat against the vehicle's rear when empty. In real-life highway scenarios, the rack performs reliably, keeping bikes firmly locked in place with its patented anti-wobble bolt system that actively mitigates dangerous swaying over high-speed road bumps. The overall build quality feels remarkably robust, blending high-strength alloy steel for structural load points with lightweight aluminum to keep the unit's dead weight manageable at around 56 pounds. Compared to premium-tier competitors like the Hollywood Rack Sport Rider for e-bikes, the Young Electric unit delivers an equivalent 200-pound load rating and excellent fat tire tracking at a significantly lower consumer price point, making it a stellar value-for-money option. However, users should note that unlike some ultra-premium racks, the ramp does not store internally on the rack frame itself, requiring separate cabin storage. Ultimately, seniors, solo travelers, and e-bike owners who struggle with heavy lifting will benefit enormously from this system. I highly recommend it as an incredibly durable, secure, and budget-friendly alternative to premium brand carriers. Number 1. The Young 2-Bike Hitch. Mount Rack with Ramp is a premium, heavy-duty transportation system meticulously engineered to eliminate the back-straining logistics of hauling massive electric, mountain, or fat tire bicycles. Explicitly designed for a standard 2-inch receiver, its primary purpose is to safely secure an impressive 200-pound total load capacity, translating to a generous 100 pounds per bicycle, making it fully approved for high-vibration use on cars, SUVs, trucks, RVs, and trailers. Key features include highly adjustable, patented wheel cradles that track standard road tires up to 5-inch ultra-wide fat tires, heavy-duty ratcheting wheel straps, and an intuitive 2-arm vertical frame configuration that accommodates both step-over and step-through frames. The defining, standout design aspect of this carrier is its integrated aluminum loading ramp, which allows riders to effortlessly roll 90-pound e-bikes up onto the platforms and then neatly stows away directly into the rack frame when not in use. Structurally, the build quality is exceptionally rugged, striking a balance by combining high-tensile steel for critical high-stress load junctions with weight-saving aluminum for the outer platforms, resulting in a manageable overall product weight of 66 pounds. In real-life highway scenarios, the rack performs flawlessly. Its robust anti-wobble mechanism and threaded hitch pin lock actively neutralize dangerous side-to-side swaying or annoying rattling, keeping expensive investments dead silent and rock solid at high speeds. Compared to elite premium rivals like the Thule EasyFold XT2, the Young electric rack provides extraordinary value for the money, delivering a matching 200-pound load capacity and superior 5-inch fat tire accommodation at roughly half the consumer price. While its bulkier dimensions require a bit of patience during initial unboxing, the vast majority of core structural components arrive pre-assembled for rapid deployment. Ultimately, senior riders, solo adventurers, and avid e-bike enthusiasts who frequently travel via motorhome or struggle with heavy lifting will benefit immensely from this system. I highly recommend it as a safe, exceptionally stable, and budget-friendly powerhouse for modern heavy bike transport. That wraps up our list of the 5 best bike hitch racks in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the right rack for your next adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which bike hitch rack is your favorite, or if there's another great option we should check out. Thanks for watching, and happy riding.